You want passive income, everyone does. The idea of money flowing into your account while you sleep sounds incredible. But here's the problem: every video you watch talks about six-figure investments, real estate deals, starting a business, creating an online course. And you think, I don't have that kind of money, I barely have $1,000, passive income isn't for me. But what if I told you that's actually the worst possible thinking? What if I told you that some of the most successful passive income builders started with exactly what you have right now? The catch: it's boring, it's not glamorous, there's no Instagram-worthy story about how you made it. But it actually works. Here's why most people think they can't build passive income with small money. Every video online shows you the exciting version. Someone bought a rental property, someone built an app that generates thousands monthly, someone created an online empire. These stories are real, but they're survival bias. We only see the wins, not the thousands of people who failed trying the complicated approach. The psychological trick is that our brains love exciting stories. We don't get excited about put $500 in an index fund and wait 5 years. That's boring, that doesn't get clicks. But boring is exactly why it works. Let me show you the actual boring way to build passive income with less than $1,000. First, there's dividend stocks. This is simple. You buy shares of companies that pay you just for owning them. Some companies pay you 3, 4, 5% annually just to hold their stock. So if you invest $500 in a stock that pays 4% dividends, you make $20 a year in passive income. That sounds tiny, right? But here's where it gets interesting. That $20 can be reinvested automatically. Next year you earn money on the original $500 plus the $20 you made. It's small, but it's exponential. Second approach: high-yield savings accounts. These aren't passive income in the traditional sense, but right now they're paying 4 to 5% annually. So $1,000 in a high-yield savings account makes $40 to $50 a year doing absolutely nothing, just sitting there. Third approach: micro-investing apps. These round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Buy a coffee for $3, it invests $2, you're building a portfolio without even thinking about it. Fourth approach: peer-to-peer lending platforms. You lend small amounts to people who need loans, they pay you back with interest. Average returns are 5 to 7% annually. None of these are flashy, none of them will make you rich overnight, but combine all of them, you're suddenly generating hundreds of dollars annually on a small initial investment. Here's what most people miss about passive income. They think it's about making a lot of money right now, but it's actually about starting the compounding clock. The real secret isn't the amount of money, it's time. Money has this weird property where it grows faster the longer it sits. $1 invested at 20 grows much more than $1 invested at 40, even if you invest way more money at 40. Psychologically, we hate boring. Our brains are wired to seek excitement, so we ignore the boring method that actually works and chase the exciting method that probably won't. But here's the psychological flip: boring is actually your advantage. When something is boring, fewer people do it. When fewer people do it, you face less competition. When you face less competition, the boring method becomes even more powerful. So what should you actually do? First, open a high-yield savings account today. Move $1,000 there, you'll make $40 to $50 this year doing nothing. Second, pick one boring investment vehicle: dividend stocks, micro-investing app, or peer-to-peer lending. It doesn't matter which one, just pick one and start. Third, set it to automatic, let it reinvest without you thinking about it. Fourth, add to it regularly, even $20 monthly is something, over time it compounds. The goal isn't to get rich quick. The goal is to get the money started so it can start working for you. Passive income doesn't start with $1,000 becoming $10,000. It starts with $1,000 becoming $1,100, then $1,200, then $13,000. The people you see with six-figure passive income, they started exactly where you are. The only difference is they started. They chose boring over exciting. They chose consistency over glamour. And boring over time becomes extraordinary. Your turn.